there's a stillness here, a kind of harmony that hums just beneath the surface. Lakeview Bird Park in Islamabad isn't just a sanctuary for birds. It's a haven for those who wish to capture the raw beauty of nature through the lens. Every chirp, every wing beat holds a story waiting to be told. As a zoologist and a wildlife photographer, I've explored diverse terrains to document nature's wonders. Bird parks like these are treasure troves for photographers, offering a chance to hone your skills, learn the art of patience, and truly connect with your subjects. Today, I'll take you through this vibrant park, sharing a few tips on wildlife photography and introducing you to some incredible species. Each of them has a story, a role in nature's grand design, and a lesson for us as storytellers behind the lens. Elegant and resilient, the Demoiselle Crane is a dancer of the wild. Known for its striking grey plumage and piercing red eyes, it embarks on one of the most grueling migrations in the bird world, crossing the Himalayan range to reach its breeding grounds. So, let's get some basics out of the way first.
Obviously, you want to use a telephoto lens with a wide aperture to isolate the subject from the background, give it that dramatic effect. And what I've found is that f6 to f8 works perfectly for wildlife. The subject is completely in focus and the background is still quite blurred.
Their synchronized movements are a gift for photographers. Try capturing them in groups for a sense of unity, or focus on their expressive eyes for an intimate portrait.
So another thing you want to be mindful of is obviously with the telephoto lens you're quite zoomed in, and there's bound to be stability issues if you're going, handheld. So what I recommend is, what I found that works perfectly for wildlife photography at least, is this monopod.
The great white pelican, an ancient mariner of the skies, with a wingspan that rivals the width of a small boat. Some idiots were bothering this one, so it wasn't really in the mood to show off its giant wings. Its massive bill, though, is a master tool designed for scooping fish with unmatched precision. This thing is basically a dinosaur. Unfortunately, their pools were emptied for maintenance, so I couldn't show you their hunting behavior. That brings up another major pointer for new wildlife photographers. You can't rush a good shot. Take your time. Don't do what I'm doing for this video and only leave yourself 2 hours to film multiple species.
For photographers, these majestic creatures offer endless opportunities. Their slow, deliberate movements allow you to perfect your timing and composition And this is why it's so important to understand the species that you're trying to capture. You can anticipate their movements, and it puts you in a much better position to get a nicer shot.
Flamingos are living artworks. Their pink hues, a direct reflection of their diet-rich in carotenoids. Their long, slender legs and backward-bending knees are uniquely adapted to wading in deep waters.
Photographing flamingos requires an eye for detail, so you want to get a serene composition. You want to try and move around the subject, try to find the best lighting that you can. Unfortunately, I've been struggling to do just that because, I am trying to capture them from on this side of the fence, and it's been a struggle to get in a nice position. Plus their pool's empty, so I can't really capture them filter feeding. Oh, and that one just pooped. Ew. Try shooting during golden hours. It's going to bring out the vibrancy on their plumage. A rose-ringed parakeet sat on my shoulder and then it flew away. I'm trying to entice it with some bird seed, but so far I've been failing.
Meet the Einstein of the bird world, the African grey parrot. Its remarkable ability to mimic human speech and solve problems makes it one of the most intelligent avian species. And right beside it are the Scarlet Macaw and blue and yellow macaw. Few birds can match their vibrancy. Their feathers are a burst of fire, a symbol of tropical rainforests. Parrots, macaws and parakeets are some of the most fun birds to capture, and they're also quite forgiving. Most of the time, even with bad composition and lighting, you can get away with a decent shot on account of their beauty. For photographers, capturing their personality is key. Wait for moments when they engage with their surroundings, or with you. You'll find their expressions tell a story all on their own. Since we're already experiencing a sixth mass extinction event, every bird here is a reminder of what we stand to lose and what we must fight to protect. For wildlife photographers, these parks are more than just practice grounds. They're gateways for understanding the natural world. You can follow your species of interest in a controlled environment, helping you understand their behavior and better preparing you to get that money shot when you're out in the wild. So pick up your camera, visit a bird park, and let these winged wonders teach you the art of patience and storytelling. And remember, every shot you take is a chance to inspire others to care for the world we share.
If you love wildlife photography, adventure, and stories that matter, then be sure to subscribe to the Khanabadosh boys, and I will see you on the next one.